Hello guys, hello my viewers, hello my subscribers, and hello to everyone. We have here benefits of tomatoes. Tomato are low calorie and nutrient dense, making them an important part of a balanced diet. Raw tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which brightens skin and fights inflammation, while cooking tomatoes releases more antioxidants such as lycopene, which may protect against cancer. Tomatoes offer various benefits and contributes to heart, cognitive, brain, and prostate health. In regular amounts, tomatoes are found to be safe for pregnant and breastfeeding women. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day and farewell.